foods you can use as natural skincare products. It's surprising how we don't realize that foods that are rich in vitamins and nutrients are good not only for us to eat, but they can be good for the outside of our body too. Plus, it's more cost-effective than products from big brands, free from any preservatives, and definitely natural. We at Brightside did some research and prepared this list for you to use. 1. Papaya. Papaya is packed with acne-fighting vitamins and minerals, like vitamins N, C, beta-hydroxy acid, papain, and potassium, and it provides different beneficial effects on dull or aging skin. It has excellent beauty benefits that make the skin glow, and can also exfoliate and lighten it. Mash 3-5 tablespoons papaya. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Spread the mask over the face and leave for 10-15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water too. Apply. If you can imagine eating a healthy, tart apple that is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and copper, and then applying those same nutrients to your face, you understand how amazing this is. There are a series of vitamins that play specific roles here, but what you have to understand is how it provides care for your skin in terms of repair, release, and protection, as well as nourishment. This should put a smile on your face whenever you're out and about. This mask is very good for oily skin. You'll need 2 grated or diced apples in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of curd. It absorbs the oil from your skin. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. It stops the apple mixture from oxidizing. Stir the mixture until it forms a paste. Apply to the face for 15 minutes. Wash off with warm water. 3. Strawberry. Who would think that the great benefits and the natural power of strawberries could be used to enhance beauty and help fight against chemical terrorists which exhaust the skin's power to rejuvenate itself? The properties in strawberries are highly beneficial for oily, acne-prone skin. The vitamins, folates, and antioxidants can bridge the relationship with the inner and outer you. Mash 3 strawberries. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply on a clean face. Leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. 4. Avocado. Avocado is very high in natural antioxidants, which makes it very effective as an anti-aging skincare product. It is also exceptionally good for hydration because it's packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids and vitamins E, C, and K. This mask will make your skin feel soft and hydrated. Take the flesh from the inside of half of a fully ripe avocado. Mash it in a bowl until it looks like a paste. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This will prevent the avocado from getting brown. Apply to the skin and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse it off. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is known for its antifungal and antibacterial characteristics, which makes it very effective at dealing with acne. Coconut oil is also one of the best natural moisturizers because of its high fatty acid content. Coconut oil can not only be used to moisturize skin, but can also be used as a cleanser and makeup remover, because unlike mineral oil, it doesn't clog the pores. Coconut oil is also effective for teeth whitening. It doesn't bleach the teeth, but it actually removes the plaque and bacteria that are responsible for making the teeth look yellow. 6. Honey. Honey is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial characteristics, which make it very effective in preventing and fighting against pimples and acne. Honey is high in antioxidants and also has antiseptic and antibacterial properties, which makes it very good for cleaning the skin and repairing damaged cells. Apply honey on your face. Leave it for 15-20 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. You may need to warm it up a bit if it's hard, but don't heat it too much, just enough to make it runny so you can apply it to your skin. 7. Oatmeal. Oatmeal has unbeatable soothing properties and is very good for balancing pH. That's the reason why it can be used as a natural and gentle exfoliator, especially for dry and sensitive skin. Process the oatmeal until it's finely ground. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with a little milk to get a paste. Apply on the face and rub gently. Rinse with cold water. 8. Cocoa. Ancient spice. Cocoa is a fantastic skin soothing product. Its antioxidants fight with free radicals, preventing the skin from aging. This beautiful powder rejuvenates skin, providing beneficial effects to the skin in terms of helping reduce your blemishes and repairing dead skin cells. It does this by illuminating the nerves of the skin, destroying the molecules that live on your face, and allowing more oxygen to reach it. Mix together 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1.5 teaspoons cocoa powder. Apply this mask to your face and scrub in circular motions. Rinse your face with warm water. 9. Dark cocoa. Dark chocolate, which is at least 70% rich in cocoa, naturally makes you feel good and stimulated due to the mentality a person holds with chocolate. Its antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals make you feel good and boost the moisture in your skin. Melt 2 bars of dark chocolate, add 1 tablespoon of honey, add 2 teaspoons of ground oatmeal, add 1 tablespoon plain Greek-style yogurt, mix well, apply on your skin and leave for 15 minutes, wash off with warm water. 10. Lemon. Because of the high content of vitamin C, lemons are unbeatable for skin lightening. It's easy to use, just squeeze some juice and apply on your skin. Keep in mind that some people might have a reaction to the lemon juice, and it's a good idea to try it first on a small area, like your elbow for example. Then wait for 24 hours to be sure. It is also important to know that vitamin C and sunlight are not a good combination and may lead to pigmentation. In other words, don't use it in the summer, in the morning, especially if you plan to be outside all day. 11. Bananas are used to refresh the skin and make it soft and well-nourished due to their high content of vitamins, minerals, and their soft and mushy texture. They can be used as an all-natural resource for the skin, instead of chemical-based solvents, because they hold all of the key ingredients necessary for beautiful skin, like vitamins A, B, E, and potassium. Mash a medium-sized, ripe banana to a paste-like consistency, apply to the face and neck, and leave for 15 minutes, rinse off with warm water. 12. Egg whites and egg yolks have very different beneficial characteristics, and should be used separately depending on the purpose and your skin type. Egg yolks have a high fat content, and should be used for dry and flaky skin. They're high in vitamins A, B2, B3, and zinc, which makes it an excellent anti-aging and moisturizing product. Mash 1/4 ripe avocado, add 1 teaspoon yogurt, add 1 egg yolk, mix all ingredients together and apply to the skin, leave for 15 minutes, or until dry, wash off with warm water. Egg whites are excellent at tightening and toning the skin, while at the same time removing grease from the skin by shrinking large pores on the skin surface. Large pores are known to be victimized by acne-causing bacteria, which means these large pores receive a health benefit from egg whites. Egg whites should be used for oily skin. 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, mix ingredients, and apply to the skin, leave for 15 minutes, or until dry, wash off with warm water. 13. Cucumber. You've probably heard the saying, cool as a cucumber, and this is also applicable for the skin. If your skin is feeling irritated and inflamed after a long day out in the sun, a cucumber compress is the best. It's full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, and has a strong cooling effect. Cucumber is also great for reducing dark circles. Cut thin cucumber slices, put them in the fridge for 15 minutes, place the cucumber slices on the affected area, leave for 15 minutes. 14. Herbal teas are nourishing, aromatic substances. Their different aromatic components result in different effects on the skin, making it almost smile with glory no matter which you use. Things like chamomile and lavender flowers work as anti-inflammatories, and also have a calming effect. The caffeine in black tea shrinks the blood vessels and helps to reduce dark circles around the eyes. The tannins can also help with puffiness. If you use tea bags, all you need to do is to wet 2 bags and put them on your eyes. If you want to use tea as a toner, brew the tea and use daily with a cotton pad after cleansing. 15. Carrots have beneficial enzymes and encourage rejuvenation in normal and oily skin. They're high in vitamin A, which is an antioxidant, vitamin C, which is great for brightening skin, and potassium, which helps with skin hydration. Peel a medium-sized carrot, steam it until it's easily pierced with a fork, then let it cool. Mash the carrot, add 1 tablespoon of honey, add 1/2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, apply on the face, and leave for 10 minutes, rinse off with warm water. Are you interested in trying some of these recipes? Which one would you try first? Tell us in the comments below.